For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Recently, many allegations of plagiarism have been making a big buzz in the film industry. In 2018, soon after the theatrical release of Junior NTR's Aravinda Sameta Telugu novelist Vempalli Gangadhar went to the town claiming that his novel Mondi Kathi has been plagiarized by the makers of the movie. The writer alleged that the director Trivikram Srinivas found out about his research into Rayalaseema factionalism and used those inputs in making Junior NTR's movie. The news is that Vempalli Gangadhar is now back to make a fresh claim. This time he has alleged that Allu Arjun's yet-to-be-shot Pushpa is based on a story series titled Tamila Coolie, which he wrote in 2018 for a Telugu language daily. As per him, Pushpa's story is also based somewhat on his book Ira Chandanam. For the unversed, Allu Arjun is playing a coolie in the movie and he reportedly indulges in the smuggling of Ira Chandanam in the movie. It's on the basis of media reports about the film's backdrop and Allu Arjun's character that Vempalli has made the allegations. Taking to Facebook, Vempalli Gangadhar said that it's nothing new for the Telugu film industry to exploit the efforts of writers.
As you like, convert our literature into visuals for your career. You people have to prosper, while we writers should live a condemned life.
The action drama directed by Sukumar reportedly will go on the floors later this year and is expected to release in the year 2021. The film also stars Rashmika Mandana as the female lead and has music by Devi Sri Prasad. It will release in Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, Kannada and Malayalam. Allu Arjun will be doing a Koratala Siva movie after Pushpa is completed. Speaking about the same, there are allegations that Chiranjeevi's Acharya has been stolen by director Koratala Siva. But the makers of the movie have issued a statement denouncing the allegations. In a strongly worded statement, Matinee Entertainment and Ramcharan's Konidela production company described the allegations as both unfounded and ridiculous. Producers coming out in defense said, "We wish to inform everyone that Acharya is an original story written and conceptualized by Koratala Siva alone. Any claim that the said story is copied is baseless." The statement further added, "As the hype reaches its zenith, a couple of writers have now made false claims with respect to the story of the film. We have kept the story confidential and only select few people are aware of what it is all about." The makers claimed, "It's absolutely ridiculous that the claims are made on the basis of the motion poster alone, and it's unacceptable to defame a reputed filmmaker like Koratala Siva." The statement also claims that the rumors made are unfounded and seem to be based on the speculative and rumored stories in the print and electronic media. The statement also added that any claims with respect to the story are purely based on assumptions. Admittedly, the film tells the story of a man who fights to conserve natural resources. With music by Indra musician Mani Sharma and cinematography by S. Thiru, the film has Kajal Agarwal as Chiru's female lead. The movie's release date is yet to be announced.